Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I am showing you exactly how to integrate the ChatGPT API directly into your website. Whether you are running a simple blog or a complex custom platform, let's get right into it. First, you need to choose your integration method based on how your site is built. If you are using a platform like WordPress, Wix, or Shopify, you do not need extensive coding. You can use generative AI chatbot builders that handle the complicated backend stuff for you in minutes. However, if you have a custom-built site powered by Node.js or a similar backend, you will need to write your own chatbot module scripts. These scripts act as the intermediary between your user's browser and the OpenAI models, making it much easier to scale as your business grows. Next, you need to obtain your official API key from OpenAI. Head over to platform.openai.com, log in, and navigate to the settings icon in the top panel. Select API keys on the left and click Create New Secret Key. Make sure to copy this key and store it somewhere safe immediately, as you won't be able to see it again. While you're there, go to the billing section to add your payment details. A pro tip is to set a usage limit in your billing settings to prevent any bugs from making unwanted API calls and racking up unexpected charges. Then you have to focus on strengthening your web and data security. When you use the API, you are sending data from your server to OpenAI, which can often include sensitive customer information. You must implement precautionary measures to protect this data. Never hard code your API key directly into your website's front-end code where anyone can find it. Instead, always keep it hidden on your backend server and use secure environment variables to call it. Finally, once your connection is secure, you can customize the AI's behavior to match your brand. You can give the API a system prompt that tells it exactly how to act, such as a helpful customer support agent or a technical tutor. You can also choose between different models like the faster GPT-4o Mini for quick replies or the more powerful GPT-5 series for complex reasoning. Once your script is uploaded to your server, your website will be able to have real-time, intelligent conversations with your visitors. And that is it. Your website is now officially powered by the latest AI. If this integration guide helped you level up your site today, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech and development tutorials. See you in the next one.